In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project in Lovable Dev. Before we start, a quick reminder: deleting a project is permanent, so take a moment to confirm you're working on the right one. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Lovable Dev. In the results, choose the official Lovable Dev site. Look for the correct domain and a secure lock icon in the address bar to make sure you're on the legitimate page. Once you're on the site, click Sign In. If you're already signed in, you'll land on the home screen automatically. Use your usual login method and give the page a second to load your dashboard. If you use multiple accounts or teams, make sure you're viewing the workspace where the project actually lives so you don't delete the wrong item. On the Lovable home screen, look for the section labeled Projects. Depending on your layout, this may appear in the main area of the dashboard or in a sidebar. You might see a heading like Projects or something similar that groups all of your applications. Here, you'll typically find a list of your recent projects or a grid view showing all your applications. Recent projects is useful if you were working on the item not long ago. If you don't see it there, switch your attention to the full grid. Take a moment to scan the titles and thumbnails carefully and verify details like the name and any recognizable branding so you're certain you've got the correct project. When you've identified the project you want to remove, hover over its card and click the three dots, the ellipsis, usually located in the top corner of that card. This opens a small menu with actions related to the project. From that menu, select Delete. A confirmation pop-up will appear to help prevent accidental removals. Read the prompt carefully. In many cases, Lovable Dev will ask you to type the project name exactly as shown before you can finalize the deletion. This is an extra safety step designed to protect your work. Type the name precisely, matching capitalization and spacing, and then confirm. After you confirm, the project will be removed from your list. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page to update the dashboard. That's all there is to it. Remember, once a project is deleted, recovery may not be possible, so always double-check you're deleting the correct one. Thanks for watching, and proceed carefully whenever you remove projects to keep your workspace clean and accurate.